kind of chemistry. Some people make it hard, with me that isn't the case. 'Cause I make it so